Hey guys, welcome back to IkeFam Driving School. In today's episode of IkeFam Driving Essentials, we're diving into episode 3, parallel parking. Let's get straight into it.
Hello guys, welcome to IkeFam Driving School. Today's tips is about how to deal with parallel parking on your coming test. So parallel parking, the examiner will tell you pull up alongside with the car ahead and then reverse back reasonably close and parallel with the curb, and then try to complete the exercise within 2 cars length. So when the examiner find in the car that have enough space behind, they will tell you to pull up before you reach the next parked car. The first thing you need to do is leave about 3 car space away from the car you're about to use, because the examiner will not tell you specific distance you need. But because you're about to do the parallel parking, you need a space that you can use to pull alongside with the car you're about to use. So first, positioning is very important. So you leave 3 cars away from the car you're about to use. After that, the examiner will explain to you the exercise you're about to do. As I said previously, that they will tell you to pull alongside with the car ahead, reverse back in reasonably close and parallel with the curb, and then try to complete the exercise within 2 cars lengths. So when you hear all this information, they will ask you, start when you're ready. So first, make sure when you pull up alongside with the car, make sure you leave 1 meter away from the other car to protect both mirrors. And then when the back is facing you, you use the front tire of the car to match the pillar of your mirror on your left. It doesn't matter any position of the tires, you can find the mirrors line with it. That's good. If the front is facing you, you can use the back to line with the pillar of the mirror. After that, you do all the checks. Before you do all the checks, make sure you prepare the car. You go back to the pump, put the car into reverse, do all the checks from low risk to the high risk. High risk is where the road is that people can use to overtaking you. After that, you turn the steering 180 to the left. 180 to the left, whatever car you're using, just 180 to the left, or from 6 o'clock up to 12 o'clock. And then you hold it. When the car starts creeping, you keep on looking around, and then make sure you keep on looking around until you find the mirror. Until you find the mirror, cover the back of the car or the front of the car you're using. After that, you steering back to normal position of the steering. Then you keep on looking, especially the blind spot, so that if any car coming, you can stop if you have enough room for them to go. If you don't have any room for other cars to overtaking you, just keep on going until you find a place or a safe place for them to go. And then when you stop if you are giving them way, make sure you indicate left so that they will be aware that you are fully stopped and they will start moving. When they start moving and it is safe for you to move again, you do all the checks again, and then you keep on going. So assuming that when the pillar cover the back and then you straighten it, then you keep on going until you see the front handle is touching the curb. And then when you see that it's touching the curb, as I said, it depends the way you are adjusting your seat. It could be the edge of the handle, it could be the middle of the handle, or it could be a full handle over the curb. So if you try the edge and it doesn't work properly, you can use the middle, or you can use the full handle. After that, as for me, I always use the edge of the handle because the way I adjust my seat. So when I see that the handle, the edge is touching the curb behind, then I do full lock to the right. When I lock it and I keep holding it, I can see that when you lock it, you see that the front is keep on coming in, and you wait until you find that the curb and the car is parallel. When you see that it's parallel with the curb, then you straighten it by 360 to the left to make the front wheel straight. After that, the last question is that try to complete the exercise within 2 cars length, not between 2 cars. It's within. That means that you need to reverse until 1 car can park in between the car you're using for the parallel. And then from there, you stop, and then you use your handbrake and you put it into neutral. And the examiner will tell you, drive on when you're ready. Make sure you do your 3-second checks. If I say 3-second checks, means that For the left side, you check center, left mirror, and then the blank spots. And then the right side, you check center, right mirror, and then right blank spot. So you keep on going. So that's why you use the speed that you can do all the checks. So this is a simple way you can do parallel parking. Any car you're using, just turn it halfway. Why you turn it halfway? Because the car doesn't swing too much across the road, and you can use it any road, the size of the road you can use. Because sometimes you can see a small road and they say use it to do the parallel parking. If you do too much steering, it will swing too much and you make angle wear, and you find yourself difficult to bring it back. Thank you for watching.
That brings us to the end of episode 3 of IkeFam Driving Essentials, covering parallel parking. If you found this helpful, make sure you hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. For even more support and real test routes, download the IkeFam Driving app packed with tools to help you build confidence on the road. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.